Welcome to the travel prep vlog. I'm going to Alberta next week and I'm going to be there for 3 weeks because apparently those are the cheapest days to fly out to and from Alberta. Don't know why, but I'm going to be there with my mom and my besties from high school, so I'm very excited. But I wanted to prep for this trip and I wanted to also try a bunch of new things. I wanted to get a sew-in for the first time. I wanted to get lash extensions for the first time, and I'm like, why not now? First order of business was getting a sew-in, and spoiler alert, I already got it. I saw Sasha's TikTok, and if you don't know who that is, her Instagram and TikTok account is Closet Couture, and she got a sew-in at this girl Joe's place. Her brand is called So Simple, and she did beehive braids and the actual like versatile sew-in, which is like you can have the perimeter out and you can do a middle part. And I'm like, that's exactly what I want to do. I want to try that. So I booked, and it was $160 total, $50 deposit, and I'm like, this is a really good deal. I pay more for braids than this, so I'm totally cool with this. And I just wanted to try it just to see if this is maybe like a nice, you know, low maintenance hairstyle that I can do, because, you know, getting ready in the morning for work, my hair takes up a lot of time. I've just been doing my wigs, but sometimes I want to try something different, and having braids won't always work, especially when I start acting again. So I'm like, let's try it. And so my friend Shanika from Shen's Head, she does wig installs and quick weaves. She's like, hey, I can give you some bundles because I have a connect. I'm like, amazing. So she gave it to me at a great discount. I got 4 bundles, but we actually ended up only using 3. But she's like, you know, just have 4 just in case she wants to make it extra thick, but we only ended up using 3. But the appointment was yesterday, so we're gonna actually have to go back in time a little bit so you can see the full look. Back in time, back to the future, back in time. Compared to my hair color, I used to always get told, you don't have jet black hair, but compared to this, my hair is jet black. Oh my gosh. So ignore this. It's cute, right? I'm gonna have to figure out like the curling and my styles and stuff, because I ended up getting these like rollers that Joe recommended. I ordered them on Amazon, so they should get here today. And then I got a curling iron because I actually don't have one. I only have a flat iron, so it was $30, the Conair one, for a 1.5 inch barrel. So we'll try it out. I'm gonna bring it to Alberta with me, but for now I'll just like, I guess, flatten this. It's doing something weird in the back there, but now I'm gonna be laying down, so I guess it doesn't really matter if I make it look nice, because I'm now going to get lash extensions. That's where I'm going today. This is what my lashes look like now. Let's see what it looks like afterward. It's definitely like, once I do my makeup, it'll look more like seamless, I guess, and natural, but I like this one. And for reference, I got, out of all of them, this one. I was gonna go with this one, but I ended up going with this one instead.
Pretty?
Yes, very pretty.
You fancy Nikita?
This is so great. Thank you so much.
No problem.
So this is the look. I think that honestly what's throwing me off is that my eyebrows are so light, because they're very like thin, like their hairs are very wispy. So if they were darker, I think this would all look good. I think I might do, because this is a step above the classic. I had originally booked classic, but then when I saw them on that thing, I'm like, let me try the one that's like right above it. And this is fine, but I think maybe next time I'll try just to do classic. But I think once I do my makeup, it'll look like a lot better. I'm gonna create some content for the next little while. First write a blog post, then break that down into video scripts for YouTube and text for like my Instagram carousels and stuff. I got this thing because they said that I should not use gel to like lay down my hair and tame the flyaways, and they said I should use this, and I already had it, so I'm like, okay, perfect, but I'm not quite sure how to open it. Oh, okay. All right, hold on, I must use the glasses. I do think that I need to like press it though, because like my hair still looks okay, but then it gets like wavy when I sleep on it, even after I tied it down and put a bonnet on it. So I don't know, but let's try this. I start working out like when I get to Alberta, because I plan on working out. It's gonna get so frizzy, and she said try to minimize how often I straighten it. So I'm gonna try and I'm gonna work out. I'm just gonna try and I guess just use this as much as possible and like comb it through and use like the really like coarse brush of, you know, the double-sided one to slick it down. Yeah, that'll work. That'll work. Okay. It's just like so bumpy in the back here. Whoa! I definitely will be curling it at some point, but I want to do like almost like curtain bangs, but not really curtain bangs because like I don't have bangs, but like where it's kind of swooping in front of my face. I need to figure that out once I get my curlers in and my curling iron. But for the time being, I'll just let it be the wavy style that it is. I love it. I also got the It book because I've been watching It Welcome to Derry. I did love the movies, and I never watched the original movies, or I guess it was a show, but I never watched the original. I watched the movies from 2016, 17, and now the series, and the series is so good. So good, but I did not know it was this thick. And I used to read thick books, but like I don't think I've ever read a book more than 800 pages. This is like over 1,000 pages. It's almost 1,200 pages. Okay. All right, Stephen King, I see you. Now let's get into it. Opening my content hub, which I will be making a template available by the end of the year, but it's not just going to be a template, it's also going to be like an educational mini course kind of thing where I talk about like how to build a content strategy, how to create content pillars, how to come up with cool content ideas, how to film great content and create like interesting carousels and status posts and stuff like that, and then how to measure your performance and then optimize based on that information. So it's not just going to be like a template, it's going to be like an informational resource. And then an idea vault as well. Like you are going to get content ideas every month. I'm working on that right now, but just giving you a little sneak peek of what mine looks like. So I hope you like the day before my flight and it's time to start packing, and I am trying these new rollers in my hair. I'm trying to leave them in for as long as possible to see like the effects, and it's just like the ones where you kind of the satin rollers on two sides and they kind of curl. So we shall see, because technically it's my boyfriend's and I anniversary tomorrow, but we're celebrating today since I'm leaving tomorrow. So we're going to dinner, we're going to go to the Winter Village, and we're going to shop for each other for Christmas gifts, but we're like seeing what the other person is getting, so it's not really like a surprise, but still. I have my carry-on and my check bag. Let's do this. Okay, so I'm gonna be hanging out with my friends and we're gonna be doing a couple things, and I thought this would be good for like going to the mall because it's comfortable, but it's cute. It's not very thick, but it's still made of sweater material, so I should be okay. And I thought the pale yellow, so cute. I got this from Fashion Nova, I think. So I'm gonna do this one. I was gonna wear this one for like a Christmassy thing, but I don't know. I'm second guessing this one. I don't want to do this one. I decided I don't want to do it. But I do want to do this one, which is also from Fashion Nova. I've only worn this once, and it is the perfect like snow baby outfit. Great for Christmas, whatever I'm doing. So this is gonna be a yes. I feel like I have to make these sequin pants happen. We don't know what we're doing for New Year's Eve, but I still think I can make it work. Whether I do like a fancy top that I buy there, or I can just wear like my red turtleneck sweater, like it's fine on its own. But I feel like I have to bring them just in case, you know. And then we just have some simple sweaters, you know, again, very Christmassy. So, all right, now I just need to do my pajamas, my socks, all the stuff I'm bringing for my mom. I'm gonna leave the cosmetics till later because I'm going out today, so I have to do my makeup anyway. And I luckily don't have to bring soap or body wash or lotion because my mom is gonna provide all those things. Perks of going to stay with your parents. But I still need to bring my makeup, my skincare, deodorant, sunscreen, and not really hair products because I mean I'm gonna bring my curling iron and these curlers in my hair, but I wanted to get this heat protector. It's called like Wow. It's what the Joe, the hairstylist, recommended, and I can get it in Sephora. But why wouldn't I just buy it there when everything's cheaper because of only 5% tax? Yeah, so I'm just gonna wait to get a few things there at Sephora. But yeah, I can start filling up my carry-on with my underwear, my socks, and my pajamas. There's a tip for you, just in case you know some wildness happens and you lose your check bag. At least you'll have the essentials with your carry-on bag. And then my check bag can have all the stuff for my mom, my going out clothes, and empty space, I guess. So yeah, let's start packing. This cool little gadget. Oh my god. Hi. That is so cool. I need me one of these. I need one of these. That is so cool. That is such good quality too. Oh my god. Time to take off.